Because I don't want to talk them out of it too soon. Because I love campaigning against the Green New Deal. I want them to make that a big part of their platform. No more airplanes, no more cows.
20-foot seahorses.
One car per family. One car. You're going to love that in Michigan. Hey, how do you like that idea of one car per family? You know, I don't think one car per family in Michigan plays too well. Not too well. And it's got to be, of course, an electric car, even if it only goes, what, 160 miles? What do you do? It's 160 miles, darling. Where do I get a charge? Where do I get a charge, darling? No, we want to have a lot of cars per family. We want people to lead a great life, and we want people to make those cars, and we want all of these companies to problem because when they didn't want the airplanes, they were saying, well, how do you get to Europe? Nobody knew. How do you get to Australia? Nobody knew. But they're working on it. And then they were interviewing this woman from Hawaii, the senator.
Oh my God.
The one that was so vicious about Justice Gorsuch and Justice Kavanaugh. By the way, do we love Justice Gorsuch? Justice